Tsura ko. Wait lang, wait lang. Ano to? Ew.
Hi, this is
Wait
Celine.
lang, wait lang. Ayaw ka pala.
Hi, it's Celine.
Hi, it's Prince.
Hello, this is Fresh. Welcome to...
CPR.
Revive and Thrive.
And live! Books.
Okay, so 2 months na tayo si CPR, guys, ha? Happy 2 months, guys!
Happy 2 months!
Ano ka ba natin to?
Parang sige na natin.
Parang sa natin. Hindi, aminado talaga. Super busy.
Oo.
Super busy talaga this time.
Oo.
Pero, ano guys, tuloy pa ba natin? Pero I feel that we're closer together.
Ay.
Oo.
Ako tayo tatay. Ako tatay.
Oo, actually, parang feeling ko naman, more than the podcast, parang nadideepen talaga natin yung friendship natin. Kasi lagi
Oo.
tayong magkakasama.
True.
Tama.
Diba?
Sa studio.
Sa studio. Sa labas. Kasi vlog din.
Sa Ubus Pera.
Sa Ubus Pera, yan.
Pero question, guys.
Mm.
Sa within ng friendship natin, ano ba yung feel nyo mga napag-awayan natin or mga disagreements sa isa? Kahit minor or major, na willing kayong i-share lang.
May pag-away na ba tayo? Tayo ba wala pa?
Tayo ba?
Parang wala pa din. Wala.
Or, sige, outside sa atin.
Outside sa
Ibang
atin.
friends nyo. Ako meron.
Meron din ako.
Meron din.
Pero yung bang away na yon naging resulta para
Mawala yung pagkakaingat.
magkaroon ng langat sa friendship.
For sure.
Ako din, for sure. May langat yun.
Tsaka ako talaga may na-cut off na ako ng friend. Because of the
The word is cut off.
Ako rin marami na akong na-cut off na friend. For certain reasons. Hindi lang disagreement. So, basta
Tama.
Ayaw mo sa akin.
Oo, you
Bye,
can talk
guys!
about it. But for today's episode, ang episode natin is about falling out and growing apart.
Yes.
In friendships naman tayo. Let's
Yeah.
focus on friendships, diba? Kasi I feel like a friendship breakup is mas mahirap tanggapin compared to
Romantic break.
romantic
Yeah, agree.
breakup. For me.
Yeah.
Kasi yung friend mo parang,
Alam niya lahat eh.
diba?
Oo.
Tsaka sobra talaga na through thick and thin, magkasama
Oo,
kayo.
iyakan mo siya. Ba't siya
Agree.
din sa'yo?
Oo. So, balikan natin yung ano niya.
Yung
Yung question niya. Kayo ba? Ano ba yung mga disagreements? Sabi mo, meron.
Oo, meron.
And you don't want to talk about it, but we're gonna talk
Talk
about it.
about it. Wag natin detail.
Blind knowledge.
Like, what kind of disagreements or pag-aaway or misunderstanding ba sa tingin nyo ang makes you want to pull away from the friendship?
Okay. Ako, yung talagang disagreement na cut off na talaga yung yung friend is yung betrayal talaga.
Oh my God, parin
Diba?
tayo!
Like, pag binitray mo ako, what kind of friend are you? Like, kaya mong gawin sa akin yan, on and on and on. So, yun yung talaga naka-cut off ko. Pero may mga, syempre, disagreements sa'yo with friends na kaya pa.
Oo.
Pwede pang resolbahan. Kasi, lalo na misunderstanding, miscommunication.
Yeah.
Madami tayong ganyan, di ba? So, yung talagang masinsinang pag-uusap lang, kaya siya. Pero yung betrayal, yun ang hindi talaga cut off. Covered up.
Ako pareho lang sa'yo. Yun nga, betrayal talaga. Kasi, binigay mo yung trust mo eh. Tapos,
Iba naman yun.
diba?
Mhm.
Susirain lang. Tapos, hindi siya yung isang beses lang para magpa-forgive ka.
Oo.
Tapos, uulitin. Parang, ano bang use? Ba't pa ako naging friend kung ganyan ganyan? So, ako, cut off ka na.
Ako siguro, keeping secrets from me. Na parang, akala ko ba tropa-tropa? Bakit parang kayo lang yung may alam? Ba't ako hindi ko alam? Though I do understand na baka naman it's not for me to know about it. Pero nasa friendship, nasa isang circle tayo and parang ako, for me, pag pumasok tayo sa isang relasyon, friendship man yun or romantic side of life, dapat connected and parang we owe to each other na ito yung ating mga chismis, chikahan.
So, yun yung non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable
when it
talaga.
comes to parang, trying out for the friendship. So, balikan natin kasi sinabi mo, di ba, na meron din namang mga disagreements na parang, uy, pwede pa. So, what are the kinds of disagreements that are worth fighting for para sa inyo? Or like, worth fighting for, ang lalim na. Pero yung parang, sige,
Kaya
try
ba?
it.
Ako, yun nga, somewhat na may miscommunication. Like, kunwari, kala nila may sinasabi kang hindi pala. Parang iba yung chika ng ibang tao sa'yo, ganun pala. So, I guess yun kaya pa siya. Pag mga misunderstanding, miscommunication, na nag-iiba yung interpretation niya sa sinasabi mo. So, I guess yun kaya pa i-repair personally. Tapos, kung talagang genuine na di ka magtatanim talaga sa sarili mo, di ka nagtatanim ng galit dun sa person na yun, kaya pa talaga yung friendship na yun eh. Kasi, kesa i-throw away mo with a simple misunderstanding, kaya pa siya i-repair. A true friend can understand you, where you're coming from.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Ako kasi, sorry, non-negotiable sa akin lahat.
So para sa'yo,
Kasi ako, kapag, kuwari gano'n, misunderstanding, pero pag repeated action siya sa someone na yon, I would better cut off my life from you. Parang,
Pattern na.
pag naging habitual mo naman ginagawa sa akin yan, deserve ko ba ng ganyang friendship? Na lagi akong mag-overthink. So ako, pag gano'n, non-negotiable, cut. Sorry.
let's say, since ikaw dumating ka naman sa point na nag-cut ka na, di ba? Do you think there's a possibility for you to miss that friend somehow?
Aww.
And just accept na hanggang dito na lang.
Oo.
Hanggang dito.
Ako madami akong kaibigan na hindi kami nag-falling out. Nag-grow apart lang.
Oh.
Madami akong kaibigan na gano'n, kaya elementary. Madami akong kaibigan na ganyan. Nawalan lang kami ng time sa isa. Kasi time is precious for a friendship eh. Na katulad natin, ilang months sa ilang weeks tayo nagsasama-sama, mas close tayo. Di ba? Kasi lang tayo nagsasama-sama. Pero yun nga, when the time for each other stops or talaga hindi na kayo chat, hindi na kayo lumalabas, yun yung nag-grow apart na kayo. In a sense na hindi kayo nagka-misunderstanding, but you're really not connected with each other na. Na nag-iba na siya, nag-iba ka na din. So, yung mga ganong tao, nami-miss ko, for sure. Kasi dami naming memories together, like kunwari mga elementary, high school, di ba? Marami kaming memories together, mga first ko, sila yung nakakita. So, nami-miss ko sila. Pero yung mga tao na paulit-ulit ka, pattern na nga na lagi kang minimistreat, yun yung mga hindi ko na-miss.
And yun yung parang falling apart na.
Yun na yung
Hindi
falling
growing
apart. Oo.
Kasi yung growing apart, pwede rin siya matignan in a way na, again, sabi mo, nawala ng time, tapos syempre may mga kanya nagbago na.
Oo,
Yeah.
na tayo.
Sabi mo, high school ba? High school.
Elementary and high
High
school.
So, syempre, parang ngayon, may iba ka ng baon.
Oo,
Kumbaga,
oo.
experiences and all. So, the dynamics might be different kung halimbawa na magkita kita.
Oo.
Kasi na-experience ko yun na parang, miss na miss ko yung mga friends ko, ganyan. Tapos, pag minsan magkakasama na kayo, parang, ano nangyari? Hindi
na
naman
kayo
kami nag-away. Pero parang, saan ka na? Saan na ako? Yung parang hindi na tayo click. Kasi ito na yung, like for example nga sabi mo, lagi na tayo magkakasama. So yung humor ko, lahat, halos parang same na tayo, di ba? So nung sumama ako sa ibang friends ko, parang ako, hindi pala ganito yung humor nyo. Nasaan na ako? Nasaan na kayo? Parang, so I guess yun yung growing apart. It's not like ayaw mo na sa friendship.
Yeah.
Iba-iba lang yung nangyari talaga sa tayo.
Ako ba lang kung sinabi ko nung first ever episode natin, sabi ko talaga, let's just accept
Yeah.
the fact na friendship evolves.
Yeah.
Hindi, I mean, swerte kung simula elementary hanggang mamatay
Oo,
friend
di
tayo.
ba?
Diba? Diba? I mean, one of a kind yun. Meaning natin, diba? At rare yun. Pero para sa amin kasi, bata pa lang ako, like, teenage years ko, accepted ko na talaga yung katotohanan na friendship evolves talaga.
Oo.
Na hindi kaibigan kita, mamimiss kita for sure, but it doesn't mean na I will keep myself locked into your arms without looking for kaya
Lock into your arms!
without looking for better people in my life.
Oo.
Ayokong ikip yung sarili ko
Oo,
sa isang
Doon lang sa
genre.
friendship na
You
yun.
don't wanna
Na
limit yourself to that kind of
oo,
friendship.
masaya ako.
Oo.
Yes, masaya. I mean, wala tayong problema. But, it doesn't mean na yun yung gusto kong way of living.
Or hindi ibig sabihin na at this age mo, yun pa rin yung gusto mo.
Yes.
Yun pa rin gusto
Oo.
mo.
Kasi nga, ikaw nang sabi, friendship evolves. Especially pag tumatanda rin tayo. Nag-iiba yung life
Exactly.
experiences, wants, and
Mhm.
all. So, bago natin i-end, bago din tayo mapunta sa hot take natin, tingin nyo ba selfish if, for example, you kind of like outgrow your friendship? Or you think it's just part of life?
No.
No.
It's not selfish. Kasi it's natural. Yung mag-outgrow ng ibang tao sa friendship. Natural yun eh. Kasi kunwari, kami ni Prince. Kunwari, elementary kami.
Mhm.
Yung trip niya today, hindi may
Yeah.
not be trip ko ngayon. So, hindi ko na siya masasamahan sa trip niya.
Mhm.
Eh, yun yung gusto niya. So, maghanap siya ng ibang friends with that. It's not selfish. It's just growing up.
Oh, I like that. That you're, also growing within yourself.
Mm.
So, hindi mo rin lilimitahan yung
Yung sarili.
kaibigan mo
Oo,
at
tsaka
yung
siya.
sarili mo
Mm.
na, okay, hindi na tayo click, pero have a fun life.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yun na lang.
Ako naman, siguro parang ako natural rocks of life yan. Part siya talaga. But how do we nurture friends? Yun nga, parang sabi natin na kung yung circle of friends na will help you grow as a better person,
Mm.
or as a better version of yourselves, then magandang circle yung pupuntahan mo sa next chapter ng life.
Yeah.
So para sa akin, rather than describing it as selfish, maybe it's the way for us individually to save ourselves and to bring parang ano ba? To
To grow
bring
pa.
to bring growth and development there. Sa life. Ako sa life as a person. Ganda.
And people really come and go.
No.
Yeah.
And a lot of friends, not just friends, people in your life in
Yeah.
general, be it in relation, they come to your life to
Give you a lesson.
teach you a lesson,
How
to
to hurt
stay,
you.
diba? No matter the experience, whether it's a fun experience or hurtful experience, you always learn from
That person.
that person,
Yes.
diba? So I feel like friends also are the same. Seasonal siya na baka in this season of my life, I need these kinds of friends.
Mm.
But then, kapag next season na,
Iba na
yung kailangan ko.
Oh my God. Oh.
So, this
I
might be a season, just so you know.
So, anong season kaya sila kami mag-follow?
Baka winter.
Pero
Anyway.
yeah, basta wag niyong isipin na selfish kayo because sinave mo lang yung sarili mo from overthinking. O, diba?
Or hindi ka
Or-
Hindi ka lang nag-grow.
enjoy.
Oo, di ka nag-grow, may mixed signals na.
Mm.
Siyempre, talagang cut off. Like, dude, ako na negosyo mo sa akin talaga.
Ah. So, since pinag-usapan natin, punta na tayo sa hot take natin. So, what do you think can ended friendships teach you about yourself and your needs and your life in general?
Wow.
Ako tingin ko,
Siya
for
naman.
me, yung ended friendships, they teach me about, may nagkakaroon ako ng self-awareness of what kind of people I want in life. Na parang eventually you'll see, hindi naman laging happy yung friendships. And then eventually you'll see na, parang ayaw mo ng ganitong klaseng energy in my life. Tapos parang minsan tinatry mo talaga na, hindi, sige, accept ko. But then, yun nga, parang pag in-end mo yung friendship, ang sarap sa feeling. Kasi, oh my God, I don't even have to think about you anymore. I don't have to adjust to you. Diba? So parang for me, it's teaching more about your wants and needs in life rather than teaching you about that person.
Ako siguro, apply ko lang, like, ending all relationship promotes self-discovery. So, parang sa akin, yes, we might ended up our relationship as a friend. But for me, it also parang it bridges that moment to my next one.
Mm-hmm.
So, syempre, along the way, yung self-discovery ko yung mag-guide sa akin.
Ako, ended friendships sa akin, ang lesson na natutunan ko is really knowing my boundaries in friendship, yung kaya kong i-take sa friendship, yung kaya kong ibigay din sa kanila as well sa support, and also learning that not all people are there to befriend you. There are people that just pass by. There are people that will hurt you. But at the end of the day, you have to know your boundaries. You have to trust yourself na, di na to healthy for me. I need to go out of it. So, yun yung natutunan ko na not everyone can be friends with you. So, and then that's okay. Diba?
Yeah, true.
Tsaka wait add ko lang din.
Sige.
Add lang. Parang, dahil dun sa mga na-end ko din na friendship before, doon ko na-realize na at the end of the day, the only person that you have talaga is yourself. Nothing more, nothing else. Parang ako, ang dami-daming nangyari. Pero, at the end of the day pala, yes, you have your family, yes, you have your romantic side of life, pero, mawala man lahat yun, yung sarili mo lang yung parang you have yourself.
Yeah.
Parang it's battle against yourself. So, parang yan, yun yung natutunan ko din sa friendship na talagang,
Sarili mo lang.
yeah, sarili, na parang you always have yourself.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi parang sa akin naman, yes, I agree with you that you only have yourself at the end of the day. But your friends are also there to make the journey worthwhile.
Yon!
Kaya happy ako that you guys are here because you're making my journey in life worthwhile.
Parang debo lang.
Thank you for coming! Ayaw nga, lang saya. And for sure, marami tayong topics about friendship na hindi na-touch.
Oo.
Pero I guess we were able to kind of like talk about how it's very normal na minsan kailangan mo pagdaanan yun.
Oo,
Best
para
friends kami
matuto.
dati.
Oo, para
Tapos
matuto.
wala
Wala
na.
na.
Oo, diba? And also, guys, if you have the same stories as us, you can leave a comment sa baba. Hanggang ngayon, naghihintay kami ng comments yung guys.
Please. But again, thank you guys for watching. We hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye!